Hello there guys, and welcome back to Chris Motorcycles in Doncaster. Got something a bit special for you today, but before we get into that, hit that like button and subscribe. Right, you've done that, you can continue. So I've got the 1978 Ducati 350 Sport Desmo. I'm not 100% familiar with this bike, if I'm honest. They're a bit of a rarity. So let me tell you what I do know. I know it's stunning. I know it's clean as a whistle. It's had a recent restoration, including the Desmo head. I'm led to believe that it was made in fairly limited numbers. You know, you hear these things, you know, 1,500, 1,000 kind of thing. Not 100% sure. There's very little information about these bikes. If someone knows something about them, pop a comment below, please do. All I know is it runs sweet as a nut, it looks fantastic, it's a Ducati in red. That's what more do we need in life. So it's like I say, it's had a full nut and bolt strip down, rebuild, etc. 1978, and it's a 350 Sport Desmo. I've had a couple of 350s in the past, but not the Desmos. So obviously it's the you know, that Desmo thing adds a lot of value, performance, etc. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start it up for you. I'm just going to turn the fuel taps on. Oh, excuse me, a bit fiddly, and we'll see if we can't get this cranked up. Turn these taps back off. How nice does that sound? That is a very smooth 350 Desmo engine. That is a very smooth. Credit to the guy that built it. So yeah, that's the bike in question. So we can offer delivery on this bike. Finance, I'd have to do some research into. The way the finance works on classic bikes normally is you compare it to what else is in the market. And I haven't been able to find one of these anywhere, so bit of a rarity, bit of a struggle on this one. But like I say, if you know anything about 78 350 Desmos, Sport Desmos, please drop a comment below. I'd like to know a bit more about this if I can. So we can offer nationwide delivery as usual, etc, etc. If you've got any questions at all, give me a shout, 01302 760 967. Or you can email me, chrisolmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you'd like to come down and look at the bike in person, you are more than welcome. Just give me a call before you set off to make sure the bike's still in stock, and it'll also allow me to get the kettle on as well. So I'm going to let you admire that for a second, and I'm going to sign out. So before you sign off, hit that like button and subscribe. Above all else, folks, have a good day. Cheers.